Hi guys, it's Joe Taylor here from Future Sounds Education, and today I'm here with the Evans Level 360 HD Dry Snare Batter Head, courtesy of Sounds Plus in Bury St Edmunds. On the box it says, technically a drum head, technologically a revolution. So let's see if Evans's head can live up to this claim. Right, so having done a bit of research about the Level 360 technology, this isn't a new range by Evans, but rather it's just a change to their collar design. So if we have a look at the older collar design, this is an old Evans G2. The older collar will have a less steep angle. And yeah, I can see there that the new 360 head has a much steeper angle. This Evans claim will allow it to sit more evenly on the drum's bearing edge, so all the way around 360 degrees. And this also means that if you've got drums that don't have perfect bearing edges, or that are maybe slightly maybe a slightly different shape to how they were if they've been warped, then the heads will still sit properly on there, and you'll still be able to get a perfectly usable sound, hopefully. Right, so Evans are also claiming that just in general that the heads themselves will make your drums, make the highs of your drums higher and the lows lower, so it'll accentuate the highs and lows of your drum. Yeah, and that's pretty much what the Level 360, that's what the technology is all about. Right, so this actual head, the HD Dry, is quite a beefy head, it's quite hefty. It weighs in at 4.8 ounces, so it's good for, you know, hard styles, heavier styles. It's a 2-ply head as well, which means that the overtones are going to be reduced somewhat. You're going to get a bit more attack, and it's also got these little holes. I don't know if you can see that. It's got little holes around the circumference of the head. This is to obviously let air out, so they're vent holes, and that just means that the drum will sound a lot drier, and it will decrease the overtones somewhat. This will give the snare hopefully a fatter sound, and again will suit the harder styles, you know, things that you don't want a lot of overtones in. So not great for jazz, but would be good for, you know, pop, rock, metal, etc. And also great for the studio, because microphones would probably love that kind of thing. On the inside as well is there's a layer there of some kind of sound deadening mylar. The whole head's made out of mylar, like they normally are, and yeah, let's see what it sounds like when we get it tuned up on our snare drum here.